Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This morning I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing some surf fishing. I'm in Tampa. I'm not at the East Coast where I usually do my surf fishing, so let's get to it. I'm using some fresh dead shrimp and I'm using some fish bites. So let me go ahead and show you real quick my setup. This is my 9-foot medium heavy action rod. I have it paired with my Slammer 4.5. There goes my fresh dead shrimp with fish bites. So we're gonna go ahead and use this real quick. I'm using a 3-ounce pyramid weight. I might change this and put a 2-ounce because, as you see, guys, it's really not that rough out here. So let's get started, man. All right, guys, I have my other setup. I had the 8'6" Ninja Dagger. This is a medium heavy rod. I have it paired with my Saltist MQ6000. This is a 30-pound braid and same setup, Pompano rig, live shrimp and fish bite. Check this out. I have this all to myself, and this boat is gonna park right in front of my rods. Are you kidding me, man? You have all this ocean, and he's gonna be right in front of me now. Oh man, can't make this shit up, man. Something big right here in front of me. I think it's a manatee. Yeah, there's a manatee right here in front of me, within probably 15, like 10 yards in front of me. Actually, he's coming right towards me right now. Check it out. Check this out. He's coming right towards me. Look at this guy. Check him out. All right, guys, my first fish this morning with the Pompano jig, a sea robin. Small little guy. All right, guys, I got something here. That's funny because I just casted this out. I just tossed it out. Yeah, big old ladyfish. This is great for cut bait, but I'm not gonna use him. I'm just gonna throw him back. Man, but he's a big ladyfish. See ya. He'll be all right. He'll be gone. Nope. Hold on. I hope you, bud. The other way. All right, now he's gone. All right, let's give this another shot. Woo, I made it to the second sandbar. Two pompanos. Yeah! Check it out, guys. Two pompanos at the same time. That's what happens when you surf fish. Two at the same time. Yeah, baby. Check it out, guys. Two pompanos at the same time on the double rig. Nice. All right, guys, I got it set up again. There you go. Let's get this out there again. Got him. I think this is the ladyfish. Right here. Oh, it's a whiting. All right, our first whiting. We got something here. What we got? We got another whiting. It's a bigger whiting. All right, two whitings, two pompano. Got another whiting. Check out, guys. Another whiting for the fish fry tonight. All right, guys, I'm done fishing. It's time for us to go. I did end up catching two pompanos, nice sized pompanos, and 5 whitings. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this video at home with a catch and cook. Stay tuned. All right, we're back home. It's the following day. I was too tired to clean fish yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and make it happen today. But let me show you what I have. Remember, I caught the 2 pompanos and also 5 whitings. So this is a 15-inch and the 13-inch, and yeah, we're gonna have some good old fish fry today. Stay tuned. Okay, he's nice and clean. Went ahead and cleaned the inside. All his guts are out. It's nice and clean. I did take the eyes out. Some people enjoy eating the eyes. I'm not one of them, so that's gone. But other than that, I'm gonna cut the tail off, and that's it. It's done. One thing I did forget was actually scaling the fish. I all forgot about it, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now. This fish is super easy to scale. Has really small scales, very fine. It's not like a sheep's head or a redfish with those large scales. You shouldn't be using your fillet knife, but it is what it is. I think on the other pompano, I'm gonna fillet it, because I don't think my kids enjoy eating whole fish. I might clean up the whiting and give it to my parents. I could hear it from my dad already. Well, how come you didn't give us the pompano and you guys keep the whiting? Nah, it doesn't work that way. Try again. Alright, let's rinse it off. Okay. Tail's gone. Okay, now we go the other way. And there you go. Just like that. Makes it easier this way so your seasonings would actually get into the fish. Okay, I got both sides done. Okay. First side, second side. Okay, let's put them back in the cooler. Okay, I got done with the second pompano. That's the 13-inch pompano. I was gonna fillet it and give it to my parents, but I think they'll like it this way better. They can actually just sit down together and just, with a fork, just pick at each piece. So, okay guys, the fish is ready to be seasoned. I'm using this sazon tropical and a little bit of garlic powder. That's it, nothing else. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil. Again, I have some olive oil. Just drizzle some, not too much. Make sure you get it inside the crevices here. Flip it over the other side. A little bit on the inside, and that should be it for the olive oil. Whoa. We did a little bit on the inside, so that should be good. All right, let's do garlic powder first. Just a little, not much, guys. Okay, get some on the inside. Flip it over. get that in there. Okay. Now we're gonna use the sazon tropical. Look at that gold color. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. Oh yeah. Okay, let's flip it over. Oh no. How'd that happen? Oh man. Gotta make sure you rub that everywhere. You want all that flavor. Just get a little bit on the inside. Like so. And that is it, guys. There you go. Look at that pompano seasoned so good. Okay, I believe that oil is nice and hot. Let's go ahead and put the fish, guys. Let's go ahead and put the fish. I don't know how that broke off that way, but oh well. Okay, I flipped it over. I thought the camera was rolling, but of course it wasn't. That came out. But there you go, guys. That's the first side. Okay, I went ahead and flipped it one more time, just for a couple minutes, but as you see, guys, it's just breaking apart. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Ooh, okay, that's falling apart right there. What I'm doing now is I went ahead and I bought some plantains. I cut them up in chunks. I pre-cooked them, took them out, squashed them, and now I'm re-cooking them again. So we're gonna have some fish and tostones. We've been waiting for this. Check this plate out, guys. Check it out, fried pompano with fried tostones. Man, listen, at a restaurant, this is like a, I don't know, $25, $35 dish. Check that out. Look at this. Fantastic. It smells so good. Let's go ahead and sit down and have a bite. Alright guys, I'm ready to eat. Let's try this out. I have some adobo for the tostones. Just put a little bit, just a little seasoning on it. Put that away. My wife made me the sauce. A lot of people know this sauce already. It's the ketchup mayo, which is ketchup, mayo, and fresh garlic. We're gonna go ahead and use this over the fish and the tostones. Check it out, just like that. This with tostones, always best. Let's go ahead and try the fish now. I know you guys look. Check out. Okay. You take chunks out at a time when you slip them this way. Check it out. Look at that. Put a little bit of sauce. Oh my gosh, that's good. That is some good stuff. Yeah. Look how easy it comes off. Look at that piece. I tell you what, pompano is a great eating fish. Very mild, very good. But I'm gonna be honest with you. My favorite fish to eat is sheep's head and mangrove snapper, then pompano. That's me. I know you guys are gonna say, man, you crazy. Sheep's head over pompano? Nah. Yeah, I like it a lot better. Oh man, so good. Let me show you one more, look. Look how easy it comes off. When you scorch it that way, when you slice it up that way into little triangle shapes, you take your fork, you dig in under, and you push it out. No bones. No bones. And with that sauce, man, I'm speechless. It's so freaking good. I got that mango. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna call it quits right here. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please shoot me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Also, I want to say thank you to all you new subscribers. Appreciate the love. I welcome you with open arms. Nothing else to say but tight lines, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.